Welcome to Moon Vibes, your daily source of crypto news, delivered with just the right amount of chill. Moon Vibes only. Now here's your host, Crypto Kyle.
Hey, good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. Man, what a fun night we had last night in Toothy Tuesdays. We had a special host by way of Keith, the NFT kid, Barry. It was legendary. Good time. We also went into a bunch of spaces last night and kind of just rated and wore our teeth, so that was pretty amazing. But anyways, going into the news this morning, I hope you guys are feeling well, and let's check out what is going on around the space. Bitcoin has bounced to near 41,000 after crypto sentiment gauges hit 6-week lows. Cointelegraph.com reporting this 16 minutes ago. Sub 39,000 BTC price target remains. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC and USD climbing to local highs of 40,965 on Bitstamp as trading began Wednesday, its best in over 24 hours. After a frustrating range-bound period, volatility to the upside was a relief for support levels previously in danger of collapsing. Traders, however, were not overly optimistic, having eyed lower entry levels for a potential long position. So, if you want to read more on that, check out the podcast notes. Elon Musk, Finbold.com, with an article. He has been sued by a shareholder for failing to disclose stake influencing stock price. Elon Musk is being sued by a shareholder for neglecting that he had purchased a large position in the firm, which had an influence on the company's stock price. According to the lawsuit papers, Musk was obligated by federal law to inform the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission within 10 days after acquiring a 5% interest in Twitter. The Tesla CEO had been buying shares since January and had purchased 5% of the company by March 14th, which meant he had to inform the SEC by March 24th. Most persons who acquire a stake of 5% or more in a corporation are required to report their ownership in a Schedule 13G filing within 10 days after the transaction, according to the guidelines. Per the complaint filing, Musk continued to collect shares after informing the SEC. On April 4th, the SEC issued a document stating that he had bought more than 9% of Twitter's stock. Well. All right, guys. And real quick, we had our first tooth reveal last night from Missing Tooth. You can see all these teeth here. All the metadata has been refreshed. If you're not seeing them in your wallet properly, be sure to check them out. But lots, several cracked teeth, I should say. But we got one single gold tooth here. So pretty wild. Pretty cool night. But we got a few more teeth that are waiting to reveal. And we should see those at some point today. But let's go ahead and close out this section and move into the market. Man, Bitcoin at $40,843, Ethereum at $3,073. So wow, Bitcoin down 7.6% and Ethereum down 5.9%. So definitely following a similar pattern, especially if you look here the last 7 days. The market really has been pretty interesting and taking shape following Bitcoin's lead, of course. We have BNB at $415, down 2.35%, well, now 2.29% for the week. We got XRP at 71 cents, down 8%. Solana at $104, down 11%. Cardano at 96 cents, down 12.5%. Terra Luna at $86, almost $87, down 20%. Avalanche down 6.31% at $79.75. Dogecoin at 14 cents, down over 5.5%. And man, we got Polkadot at 11.74% down at $18.09. We have Shiba Inu up 8.49% from the Robinhood listing at 0.402679. We have Polygon Matic at $1.42, down 5.2%. And last but not least, Kronos at 41 cents, down 6.78% for the week. Well, that does it for the market recap, guys. I hope everything is going well. I'm sure I will see you in some spaces later this evening. And of course, I'll be back tomorrow. I do apologize for no episode yesterday. Just a lot going on in the way of missing tooth. But we will be doing our best to stay on schedule. And by we, I mean me. But I definitely am going to try to rest a little bit today and get back to shilling this evening and, joining community spaces and all of that fun stuff. So thanks to everybody who's been supportive of that. And thanks to everybody who continues to tune in for the Moon Vibes podcast. If this is your first time, feel free to hit the subscription button and the notification bell if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you are listening to this in its original format as a podcast, be sure to give us a follow there in whatever method is available to you on that platform. So have a good rest of your day. If I don't see you in spaces, as always, except for sometimes, especially lately, I will talk to you tomorrow.
Thanks for listening to Moon Vibes. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to help support the podcast, please share it with others. Post about it on social media. Visit our sponsor and affiliate links in the description, or leave a rating and review. Be sure to follow your host on Twitter at CryptoKyleMQT. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.